Okay, so we're outside, so sorry if you hear any noise. There's some like neighbors playing out here, so sorry if you hear any noise. I originally just wanted to shoot a fun little clip of the vlog with her, and then I remembered that she wanted to do this. So I'm gonna let her explain it, but I'm just saying that it's gonna be, the videos are gonna be once every month. So go ahead.
Okay, so I just signed up for a Play by Sephora beauty box subscription, and it comes once a month, and I wanted to do unboxing videos, and I didn't want to do the videos by myself because I feel weird. So we're going to do my unboxing videos once a month on here, probably starting this month. And then also I start at Aveda Institute for Cosmetology in June, and I wanted to do what's in my Aveda kit unboxing video thing, so we're gonna do that too. And whenever I do my Sephora unboxing videos, I can also give updates on my Aveda life because I see people doing that on YouTube also. So I think that's it.
Alrighty, so keep on the lookout this month for her own little video with me. I'm pretty sure we're probably gonna do it outside because it's just pretty outside, and we like
Unless
to
it's
have
like raining.
Yeah.
Who knows?
And we like to have nice lighting and nice background, and this is okay. Just a little tip, if you're complicated and your dad just took the ladder out of the attic and you need a little tip, you can use that as a little prop because that's what we're doing. So
unnecessary info.
Hey!
Hi. Just talking to a ladder. That's weird.
See you guys next week. Bye.